Fourth quarter GDP coming in at 2.9%, slightly better than expectations. Joining us now is Marianne Bartels, Chief Investment Strategist at Sanctuary Wealth. Are you surprised that the Dow is managing to trade higher on what looked like a pretty hot number? It should in a normal world, but the one we're used to is as good as bad.
You know, I think the market is really struggling in what direction it wants to go to, whether or not it wants to break to the upside or break to the downside. But I think that all the data today will suggest that the Fed is going to continue to tighten, and they're going to continue to tighten maybe at a slower pace, percent. But things are, some areas are hot and some areas are not hot. But the big message that we wanted to say in our year ahead in 2023 is that the bull is already running. There's a pocket of our market that is on a tear, and it's in the value space. It's in energy, it's industrials, it's materials. We think the bear is still hiding out in tech and tech-like names.
I mean, there are pockets, but the overall averages have done well since the beginning of the year. And I don't know if you've noticed in recent sessions, all of the angst, the earnings angst in the morning, by the time it's all said and done, the market has done much better than where it was in usually the middle of the session. So there's buying that's coming in. What about the VIX? Do you worry about how low volatility is and that we haven't had a final retest of the lows, Marianne, or do you think we'll eventually get that?
Yeah, I am concerned. I think, though, we've had a terrific month. I don't think anybody really wants to lose those gains. We only have 4 more trading days. So I think January is going to close really well. And you're mentioning the VIX is very important. Maybe in February we get a little bit of a pullback. And I think that pullback will really be the true message on whether or not this market wants to go lower or whether or not we're going to reach a point where we can go higher. The technicals, I can give you a bull story and I can give you a bear story. In earnings, I can give you a bull story or a bear story. One of those will have to surface at some point.